On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix any effect that you have problem with on TikTok app. So all what you wanna do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager like this, and now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. And after that, you have to scroll until you find TikTok. When you find it, click on it like this, and then click on this option here. It's called force stop, and then go to the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled, especially the storage and the microphone and the camera. Go back and then click on the storage here, or the internal storage. Click on this clear data right here, and then click on delete, and then click on clear cache, and then go to the power usage details, disable the power consumption alert and enable it back again, and then go back to the settings on your phone, open the wireless and networks, and then go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it, and then open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Then go to the search bar here in the top, search for TikTok, and then click on the update option to update it into the latest version. After you finish, now you have to restart your phone and reopen TikTok. And if the problem is not solved yet, then you may have to go back into the settings, open the apps manager, and then wait again a few seconds and search for TikTok like this. When you search for TikTok, now you have to click on it and click on this uninstall option to remove it from your phone and re-download it again from the Play Store or the App Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe.